Are you ready to witness the absolute pinnacle of gaming performance? Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts and hardcore gamers. Today we are taking a deep dive into a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries of modern computing, it completely shatters them. I am talking about the brand new PCONLINE HP Omen MAX 45L gaming desktop, fully loaded with the highly anticipated GeForce RTX 5090 and the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X 3D. If you have been waiting to build or buy the ultimate future-proof battle station, you can stop looking. This 2026 powerhouse is designed for those who refuse to compromise on frame rates, visual fidelity, or rendering times. Throughout this video, we are going to break down exactly why this specific HP Omen 45L configuration is the ultimate dream PC for gamers, streamers, and professional creators alike. And real quick before we get into the insane benchmarks and specifications, if you want to check the current pricing or pick up this exact HP Omen 45L configuration for yourself, I have dropped the direct Amazon link in the description below. Prices and availability change constantly, especially for a high-demand RTX 5090 system like this, so be sure to click that link to see the latest deals. Let us start with the heart and soul of this beast, the processor. Inside this sleek black computer tower, you are getting the absolute king of gaming CPUs, the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X 3D. Built on the BGA 437 socket, this 12-core monster features a base clock speed of 4.4 GHz and an absolutely blistering maximum boost clock of 5.5 GHz. But what truly sets the 9900X 3D apart from every other processor on the market is AMD's revolutionary 3D V-Cache technology. If you are playing CPU-intensive games, open-world titles, or heavy simulation games like Microsoft Flight Simulator, this massive cache eliminates stuttering and dramatically improves your 1% low frame rates. The result? The smoothest gaming experience money can buy. But a top-tier processor needs an equally devastating graphics card to avoid bottlenecking, and HP did not hold back. This system comes equipped with the dedicated GeForce RTX 5090. We are talking about the ultimate flagship GPU featuring ultra-fast GDDR7 memory. With PCI Express Gen 4 and Gen 5 capabilities, this graphics card handles everything you throw at it with ease. The maximum display resolution here is a flawless 3840 by 2160 pixels, meaning it is natively built for high refresh rate 4K gaming. With the RTX 5090, 4K gaming is no longer a struggle, it's the baseline. You can turn on full ray tracing, crank every single graphical setting to ultra, and still experience incredibly high frame rates. Whether you're exploring massive RPG worlds, dominating in competitive shooters, or running the latest Unreal Engine 5 titles, the RTX 5090 ensures that your visuals are nothing short of breathtaking. It features dedicated DisplayPort and HDMI video outputs, allowing you to easily hook up multiple 4K or even 8K displays for the ultimate multi-monitor setup. Now let's talk about memory, because this is where the PCONLINE HP Omen MAX 45L transforms from a standard gaming PC into an absolute workstation titan. This specific model is packed with an unbelievable 128 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Yes, you heard that right, 128 gigabytes, occupying all 4 available memory slots. Running at a blazing fast speed of 4800 MHz, this DDR5 memory ensures that your system never slows down, no matter how many applications you have open. To put that in perspective, 16 gigabytes is considered standard for gaming today, and 32 gigabytes is usually recommended for high-end setups. Having 128 gigabytes means you have zero limitations. You can be playing a AAA game at 4K, streaming live to YouTube or Twitch at the highest bitrate, recording your gameplay, and having dozens of browser tabs and background applications open all at the exact same time without your PC breaking a single sweat. For video editors working with raw 4K or 8K footage, or 3D artists rendering massive scenes, this amount of RAM is an absolute game changer that will save you hours of waiting time. Storage is another massive highlight of this build. You are getting a colossal 4 terabytes of PCIe NVMe solid-state drive storage. Modern games are getting massive, with many titles easily exceeding 150 gigabytes each. With a 4TB SSD, you'll never have to worry about constantly uninstalling and reinstalling your favorite games. You can keep your entire Steam library, massive video projects, and all your applications ready to launch in seconds. Because it's a high-speed PCIe Generation 4 interface, your boot times will be almost instant and your loading screens in-game will be practically non-existent. Of course, putting all these high-end, heat-generating components into a case requires a serious cooling solution. HP has integrated a premium LCD liquid cooler to keep that Ryzen 9 9900X3D running at optimal temperatures, even during the longest and most intense gaming marathons. The Omen 45L chassis is famous for its patented cooling chamber design, separating the radiator from the main heat-generating components to pull in fresh, cold air from the outside. Visually, this PC is an absolute masterpiece. The sleek black tower, measuring 21.85 by 18.5 by 8.03 inches, is imposing but elegant. It features a fully customizable RGB light studio, allowing you to synchronize your lighting effects to match your gaming room's aesthetic. The addition of the LCD screen on the liquid cooler means you can display real-time system temperatures, animated GIFs, or your own custom logos, giving the PC a highly personalized premium feel. When it comes to connectivity, this desktop has absolutely everything you could possibly need. It features a staggering 11 total USB ports, ensuring that you have more than enough room for your mouse, keyboard, streaming microphone, webcam, VR headset, and any other peripherals you want to connect. For networking, you are getting the absolute latest standard with built-in Wi-Fi 7, also known as 802.11ax wireless compatibility. Wi-Fi 7 offers insanely fast wireless speeds, lower latency, and better stability, which is crucial for competitive online gaming if you are not able to hardwire your connection. But if you do prefer a wired connection, the included Ethernet port has you covered for the absolute lowest ping possible. Out of the box, this system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. This is a great touch, as the Pro version offers advanced security features, BitLocker device encryption, and superior networking capabilities compared to the standard Home Edition. It also comes included with a standard US QWERT keyboard and mouse, so you can plug it in and start gaming the second you take it out of the box. So, who is the PCONLINE HP Omen MAX 45L 5090 gaming desktop actually for? It's for the enthusiast who wants zero compromises. It's for the competitive gamer who needs the highest frame rates to maintain an edge. It's for the professional content creator who needs workstation-level power to render videos and 3D animations in record time. With the Ryzen 9 9900X3D, the RTX 5090, 128GB of DDR5 RAM, and a massive 4TB SSD, this is a PC that will easily dominate the gaming landscape for years to come. You're not just buying a computer, you're investing in a premium, future-proof experience. If you're ready to upgrade your setup to the absolute top tier of gaming performance, I highly recommend checking out this HP Omen 45L. Once again, you can find the direct Amazon link in the description below. Clicking that link is the easiest way to see the current price, check shipping times, and grab this beast for yourself, and it also helps support the channel so we can keep bringing you top-tier tech reviews. What do you guys think of the RTX 5090 and Ryzen 9 9900X3D combo? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. I would love to hear what games you would play first on a supercomputer like this. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in PC gaming hardware. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.